Alright, now that we got the forward part sorted out, let's talk about selling that relinquished property. Here is a common model that we often see. First thing, the lender won't allow the EAT or the exchange commission title holder to hold a replacement property. Your qualified intermediary QI step in and draft a simple contract for the relinquished property. The second step, the EAT then borrows money from you, the taxpayer, to purchase the relinquished property. So this could be a form of a cash loan, assumption of remaining debt, seller carryback loan, or a combination of these. Third step is once the financing is in place, the EAT closes the deal and takes title to the relinquished property. The fourth step, following the closing, the property is leased back to you, the taxpayer. So make sure you have full control over the property while the exchange is still ongoing. So let's talk about your role in selling. Here is an important part. The EAT is not responsible for selling your property. That is your job, along with your broker. You will be negotiating everything, the price, the timing, contingency, and so on. Consideration is pricing considerations. So trying to settle on the same price that the EAT paid for the property. If it sells for less than what the EAT paid for, the EAT doesn't owe you the difference. If it sells for more, the EAT may pay you the excess. And then remember, with 1031 exchange, you have boots. If you don't want boots, you want to make sure that all the proceeds, all the money, you don't receive any cash. So all that cash that you have extra, whatever, gonna be going to purchase the replacement property. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with boots. Even if you get a little boots, it's still better than have to pay capital gain tax on the whole thing. A little boots, and then it's not too big deal, because a lot of time it's very rare that in a 1031 exchange you can avoid it. I would not say it's very rare, but it's more common than you think that in a 1031 exchange that you will have a little bit of boots. Next up, you want to continue with the exchange. The second half of your exchange proceeds as usual. You will use the escrow fund from the sale of the relinquished property to purchase the replacement property. An important note, remember the relinquished property should remain with the EAT for more than 180 calendar days. This is make sure you stay compliant with IRS. With that, let's move on to our next topic.